Ideas. Today's video is an invitation video to you guys all to participate in the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. Now this challenge is hosted by me and Drea from Clueless Mama D, and we're both putting out invitations on our channels to all our subscribers to participate with us in the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. Now the challenge for this is basically you need to create something that's $5 or less. It could be a furniture piece, it could be a decor piece, it could be an organizational system, anything that you want to create, but it has to be $5 or less, and it has to be things that you can purchase at dollar stores. So Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollarama, you know, you get the gist. Any type of dollar store, things that we could purchase from any of the dollar stores that are in the areas that we live in, but it has to be $5 or less. So if you want to participate in this challenge with us, let me know in the comments down below that you are participating. I will also have a link to an Instagram post where I'm going to be posting this challenge as well. I want you to click on that link so it could take you to the Instagram post, and let me know in the Instagram post that you are going to be participating in this challenge. Because what Drea is going to do is that she's going to take all the names for the Instagram post, put us all in a separate Instagram group so that we can all get to know each other a little bit better before we actually post our videos. Now the videos need to be posted by July 12th, and we will create a playlist for you guys to be able to add the link into your description box below so that you can have your viewers see all of the other, all the other people that are going to be in this challenge. So don't worry about that. We will make the playlist for you guys and have it available for you guys so you can put it in the description box below. Also, you do need to let people know that you are doing this $5 challenge, and that you are, that the hosts are me, Rhea from Rhea's World of Ideas, and Drea from Clueless Mama D. And then just basically let people know that you have the playlist down below in the description box so that they can see all the other videos, and that's all you have to do for the $5 challenge. So I hope a lot of you guys want to participate. I know I have a lot of DIY viewers out there, and so I'm excited to see you guys' creations, especially when I've seen you guys have done things that I've created and you put your spin on it. I love seeing those when you guys send them to me. So I'm really excited to see what you guys will do with this $5 challenge. So again, if you want to participate, let me know in the comments down below that you are going to do that. Click the link to the Instagram post so it can take you there. Let us know on Instagram that you are participating so we can put you in our group so we can get to know each other. And then don't forget to let your viewers know about the challenge, the host of the challenge, and that the description box, basically the playlist is in your description box. And I can't wait to see all of you guys' creations. And I'll catch you guys later in my other videos. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.